So ayan, kaya sa akin nga $25 starting. Ayan, $63 na in 3 days, 0.01 lot size lang, disiplina lang talaga. So totoo yan, disiplina lang din talaga when it comes to forex trading. Walang magaling dito, walang nakaka 100% win rate dito, even experts, even mag 20 years ka na ng trading. Ako nga 10 years. Pero syempre marami pa ring errors and marami pa ring challenges. But still, uh, with proper mindset and discipline, kaya talaga maging sustainable yung trading. You can do it full time. And ito, $25, naging 63. Pwede yan. Doble, triple, even times 5, times 10 if yung capital mo is like $25. Kasi iba yung mindset dyan eh. Kapag $25, you're willing to lose the $25 kasi 1,000 lang yan. But what if you have $20,000? Are you willing to risk it all? So mag-iiba na yung strategy mo dyan. So as you go along, yan, mag-start ka dyan, $25, maganda talaga yan. Ako, nag-start ako $80 and I was able to grow it talaga, and I was able to fund yun nga yung pagiging full-time trader ko using that capital, $80, no? So I started $80 talaga. And ayun, it's a long journey. Hindi yun one day, one year. It's not. It's years of training and training of yung discipline mo na matuto, and yung discipline mo na mag-trade araw-araw to show up. Yun, it's really important kasi what's the point of training, educating yourself, and you're not executing it. So it's called entertainment, no? So it's really possible to be sustainable here in forex trading talaga. And that kind of profit, it's really possible. And I'm not saying na hindi ka mawiwipe out dyan, kasi malamang yan. Yung $25 na yan, mahirap talaga i-manage yan, kasi kapag sa gold ka 0.01 lot size, kahit yung lowest, talagang makati yan, masakit talaga yan. Pero yun nga, I'm so glad that you made it, na talagang na ano mo siya, na manage mo, and you were able to grow it. So keep on doing that, no? So pero as you go along, you need to adjust your strategy, especially in risk management. Ayan, para hindi ka ma-wipe out, hindi masayang yung pinaghirapan mo, yung nagsimula ka sa maliit, ma-wipe out ka lang eventually. So sayang lang. And what I'm always saying, or what I'm always telling dun niya sa community and to all other traders, or here even even in my content, na kapag kumita ka na, always withdraw your profit. So especially this 25 mo naging 63, withdraw mo na yung 25 mo dyan, para play money mo na lang yung natira. So ma-wipe out ka, okay ka na, di ba? So safe yung capital mo. But then again, sustainability, you need to add more capital, no? So kapag ka na-withdraw mo na yung play money, yung capital mo, so you will always aim for growth ng capital mo rin. So mag-withdraw ka pa rin, but 70%, but just 70% of your profits, no? So let's say kumita ka, naging 100, withdraw mo yung 70, tira mo yung 30. So again, yung 30 naging 100 ulit, withdraw mo ulit. And then palakihin mo, no? Pag naging $50 yung capital mo, gawin mo ng 70, 80, 90, 100, and so on so forth. So palakihin mo rin yung account mo so that you can increase your lot size. Kasi para sumabay yung lot size mo sa capital mo, hindi yung hindi kaya ng capital mo, tataasan mo yung lot size mo. So yun yung doon ka ma-wipe out. So that's it, guys. If you're interested to learn more or to join a trading community, I highly suggest or invite you to our Telegram community. Nandiyan na yung link niyan sa my description box below or sa bio natin. And if you want to start with your trading journey, nandiyan na rin yung mga brokers natin, no? So check nyo na lang yung bio natin. So see you there.